Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. I've been around for long, long years, stole many a man's soul and faith. I was around when Jesus Christ had his moment of doubt and pain. Made damn sure that